Today we'll talk about how can you change your email on your RetailMeNot app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. You click on profile here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on edit profile. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to email. Click on edit here. So then here can you change your email when you just click on change it. And here can you can you send verification email here to take you to change your email. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.